Welcome to Click My Project. Today topic is a inventory management system using Node.js. Abstract of the project. The system maintains a database of all inventory items, including information such as the product name, description, quantity in the stock, reorder the point, and the location. The system can be used to track inventory levels in the real time as a product is received and sold. The system can also use the generate the report on the inventory level, sales trends, and their metrics. The system can integrate it with other business systems such as the e-commerce platform and the accounting softwares. Such allows us a streamlined workflow and improve the accuracy of the data. Overall, inventory management system is an essential tool for the business on the all size. An effective IMS inventory management system is short form as a IMS. It can help the business to improve their inventory management, reduce the cost, and improve the customer satisfaction. Flow chart of the project. When you have the start the code, will be have the direct the home pages to log in or register your to login pages will be have you have additional to register pages and will display that you have the view product, then you have the order the product, then you have like a admin as login that to active product to see that when product will be not a sale, and then you have active product as to consider sales as which product will be sales to completely you will have sale details will be have display the sales module. You have the manage the product manage product as the how many products will be have you enroll the web pages will be have display that manage a product and new product you have a some product will become, so do you have a take a add new product. That's it. To open the terminal, to type a node app.js. So app.js is a main folder, then we have run, then connect the example my Apache MySQL, start the server, then open the local host to 3000. It is a main page of the product. So we'll have inventory management. We'll have first you have register your page, register your name. My name is Jockey. Like your password to again to log in your name and password. So you successfully log in. And then you have all neutral soap will have get in 88 stocks will be available. So you have buy in something, some products will have, I have a soap will have 12 products. You have a description for the claims modules and the product name and their description. We have a 12 product to buy. So I have a 12 soap to order. So you have add a receipt to add a receipt that to click. Then you have a delivery product. That's it. Then the stocks will be in decrease that product. It has the store management and where warehouse management will be have enhanced in this product will be have handle. Then enroll the another product. You have some more 98 product. I have that by now. Okay, you can add a received your client side. You will have click the received product. Have a 98. Okay, it is your history will track to in your orders. That's called that sheet in 12 orders in 98 will have enhanced. Okay, you have zero stocks will be that will not drip. No again will be stock that by now. Okay, you have seen the admin pages. In another tab will be open localhost/admin. Admin has a default one. This redirect to the admin pages will be have get it. Two active orders. You have two active orders will be displayed that has a admin. Admin is a user will be have the reorder the products. Then sales have the yeah, 6 product will be sales have and 90 with and count will be enclose that. Using the product listed have a name as get an ID, pictures, name, will be a stock and edit a product. You have the stock edit will have as to increase the stock 200 to updated 200 will be shop will be updated. Then the edit the product. I will increase the price to the I will decrease the price. You will have 125. Sit okay. Have changed overly. Then I add a new product. Has anyone have a soap? Soap have a description for the cool sandal soap. Price will have display the 100 rupees. I have the quantity here 45. Then choose on your product images. Oh, I get in this one. It's okay. Have submit. Have listed the soap. We will have displayed that. You have the 45 orders. We'll have in goals in the this claim pages will be have displayed that. It's a 45 stocks is left in there. You have buy and stock. Your maintenance to that, and admin page will be disclosed to the project. Then when we will be log out, sign out, will sign out that in to log into buy. So you only log in. That's it. Thank you.